Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're playing another spooky game. We're playing episode 2 of Fears of Phantom. The hitchhiking one, episode 2. Let's get right into it, let's see what happens. I'm a little excited, a little scared, but you know, let's see what happens. Episode 2, Northwood Hitchhike, June 16th. What is it? I think it's almost September right now. This happened to me when I was 19, guys. True story. Not even 19 yet, but you know, I'm a little over 21 now. I still remember this very clearly because of how creeped out I felt. I was a bit hesitant to write this out for the internet first, but getting it out may help even just a little bit. I was one of those people that loves gaming conventions. I'm playing a game, right now. I'd go to every convention I get the chance to. And sometimes even some of my online friends, thought my parents weren't always thrilled at the idea of me going to interstate drives, but a plane ticket would have been too expensive. The convention I was at went great. And it was now the day to drive back home. But when I set off, as soon as I realized traffic was horrible, I decided that I'd take the long way to avoid the traffic. It was a little over a 12-hour drive. I would have just stayed in the traffic, me personally. I don't mind a little traffic, but I was driving. Oh, I almost swerved off the road. Yo, this song's kind of jamming right now. Scare! Oh, I'm driving a little crazy. Hold on, I gotta read this. I shouldn't text and drive, but let's see. It's from Alex. What do you mean? Stuck in the biggest traffic jam of the country. That sucks. It's not too good here either. I think it's the people from the convention. That's it. I'm rerouting here. You gotta do what you gotta. Drive safe, Holly. You got a dad. Anything else? Leaving now. Drive safe. Okay. Oh, I'm staying still, guys. Someone's trying to grab me. I really can't. Oh, a gas station. Thank goodness. The game really dissing me about my driving now. It really said I was a bad driver. Huh? Let's fill up on gas. I'm assuming. Hello? Ah. Hello there. Oh, there's any snacks I can get? Fuck your snacks. Hello? Hey, can I get $10 for a pump too? Yeah. My mom texted me too. So can I? Come on. I'll give you $10, my boy. You're heading to the bridge by yourself? Yes, why? Not a lot of people head down there at this time of year. Why not, man? Something you ain't telling me? I got pepper spray in my back pocket. What do you mean? For about the century now, many people have been going missing down there. Oh, you trying to scare me or something? Let me tell you, I don't spook too easily. You should know that. Everyone knows I don't spook too easily. People who went looking for them never returned. Psh. Now this guy's actually joking with me. Yeah, well, thank you for the gas. I guess that guy's oh, he's right there. Okay. One more thing. Yeah. Spit it out. But come on, man. What's taking you so long to speak? Oh, I figured it out, guys. If you see a woman in a white or blue gown trying to get a ride, do not stop. Who is she? Yeah, I want to know. Some people say that she died in a car accident there on prom night. Some say that she seeks vengeance after she was murdered there. She's out for blood. There's people out there on the road putting their thumbs out. They ain't what you think, man. They just ain't. Keep that in mind. Oh, it's just a woman in that same van. Anyways, Mom, Mom, I don't know if you'll find any shop at this hour, but we're out of dog food. Could you get some? I'll pay back. I'm 6 hours from the house. Let's see. Alright, guys, if we see a woman in a dress or any hitchhikers. Did I pump my gas? I gotta pump gas. Don't stop for him. Did I already pump the gas? Alright, let's go. Alright, guys, we got my dog's dog food now. Now we can actually hit the road. I could. Yeah. Alright, let's get out of here. Now remember what he said, guys, before blah blah blah. We see a woman or any hitchhikers. Man, my car sucks. No wonder I'm bad at driving. What the fuck is that sound? Bro, don't tell me there's something in my backseat. What does that sound? Oh, here's the bridge. I think it was that bunny, guys, let's be honest. It's probably... Did I take a wrong turn? This is very weird thing about a night. I saw two logs in the middle of the road blocking the way. You want me to get the fuck out of the car? Oh, hell nah. Motherfucker, in real life, I'll never get out this fucking car. I'm scared. I think I saw a road. Oh, bro, move these bitches. Fuck, bro. I'm telling you, I don't like this. Come on. Is that good enough? Fucking move. Let me in. Oh, not even gonna let me in, huh? Oh, here we go. We figured it out, guys. Oh. I can hear some shit. Let me in, please. It's moved. The fucking log is moved, huh? Come on, come on. There we go. Start. Great. Let's see what's wrong with my car now. I'm stranded in the middle of nowhere with no cell phone service. Yeah, I do kind of feel a little uneasy. It's like straight out fucking horror movie. Throughout my life, I was told not to take rides from strangers. But at that moment, I had no choice. Huh? I was scared to think how long it would take for someone to pass. Yeah, me too. 10:23 p.m. I was still stranded here. I saw a car nearing. Oh, fuck. Yo, slow down. Help. Help. For real. I don't understand how someone could leave another human being standing like that. Come on. Guess we gotta wait longer. 10:43 p.m. At this point, oh, let's get the fucking easy, bro. I heard crickling in the woods. I'm ready to throw hands. That was another car. Hello. Hey. Oh, sick. Finally. I've been waiting out here for a long time. Hello? Sir? Sir? Yeah, you don't got a face. Am I tripping right now? Am I hearing shit? Can you let me in your truck, please? Please, bro, please. Oh. You're the girl from the gas station? No, thank you so much for stopping. What are you trying to do out here? I think my car just broke down. Can't call for help. There's no cell phone service. You think I can get a ride? Just up the road, just near a stop where I can call for help. Where are you heading to? Hop in. Thanks for so much. Could you wait till I get my stuff? Hurry up, just throw it in the back. Won't be here too long. Okay, thank you, sir. So oblivious. Hello, sir. Can we go? Now I can relax. I got a homeboy with me now. I ain't scared. What's something gonna do to the two of us? Like look at he got some strong muscles. Tell me who you are, where you're going. I'd rather not say if that's close from here. I was driving home. Yeah, and the piece of crap broke down. Jason, what? My name is Jason. Okay. I saw my girl. I'm Holly. Yes. Some Holly, guys. I'm a girl. That's why she grabbed the stuff and didn't leave it. I would have left my stuff. I'm getting this really lucky. I had to be one of these side of the town tonight. Yeah, I know. I must say you're one brave young woman. Yeah, how's that? Got any clue what happens to your car back there? It is an old car, that's it. Think so. I do think so. What do you guys think, huh? You think it was a battery, old car. Could be anything, really. What do you think about what he told you back at the gas station? I didn't. It really creeped me out. It did creep me out. Interesting. Motherfucker, why you say interesting like that? He just tells that to every person traveling down here. They offered me roadside assistance beside. I thought I could use a little rest. Be careful, there are all kinds of people out there, he said ominously before leaving. Bye! So here's all my crap. Hello, I need a room. And I was putting out the creeps vibes immediately. Gal, need a room to shank up for the night. That's how I think it'd sound. How much is it for a room? $40 for a single. I'll pay cash. That's all I got on me is my bready bread. Room number 9, right over there. Tommy will take care of your car next thing in the morning. Thank you. Good, I'll let Tommy know. And one last thing. Try not to wake the other guests up. They might not take very nicely to it. What the fuck is that supposed to mean? I'll wake them up if I damn pleased to. The fuck? I'm just playing. I hope I don't wake no one up. Doesn't look like good people stay around these parts. Alright, so it's 4. Store's open. Do I see? Okay, yeah, I can't just go into some random person's room. Who knows what? My room's right here. Who knows what they do to me? Hold on, I gotta. This looks really no bed. The fuck? Musky smell you get from the old house. Hold on. What's that? There's a dog food at the gas station and you don't need to pay for me. Holly? Question mark. Oh, sick. At least we got TV. It's we gotta check the closets, make sure it's not. What the fuck are you doing in here? What are you doing here? You scared the. I scared the crap out of you, bro. You scared the absolute shit out of me. Yeah, I should be asking you, bro. I'm Tommy, room service here at the renting the finest. You know, cleaning stuff. I'm gonna have to ask you to step outside while I make the room. I'll just get my stuff. Holy shit, man. You're. Oh, man. Yeah. Big ass motherfucker scared the shit out of me. Oh. Let's check. Anyone in the closet? Yeah, I gotta close that. I'll go to bed now. Did I lock the door? What the fuck? Is that the water? Okay, we get it. You don't work. I didn't mean to click ya, man. Let's see if anyone texted me. Where are you at? Your dad's calling. I sent the text. What the fuck? What the? Call. I just saw. No, shake the feeling that someone wasn't. Oh really? There's someone outside the window. Feeling tired as. hot cup of coffee. I'm shutting that shit. Hot cup of coffee. Where you gonna get a hot cup of coffee from? Huh? The bathroom? Usually like hotels have some coffee stuff. Maybe the front desk will have some coffee. First of all, shut the door. Make sure you don't know it's lurking. Oh, I found a coffee machine. Some espresso. Do I want espresso? Oh, let's just go. Let me stay awake. I kind of want to sleep. I feel like if I... What? What the fuck? What is that? What the fuck is happening? Oh hell nah, bro. Everything's inverted. What did I just drink? Backwards is for like I'm pressing W right now. I'm going backwards. I can't play this. I'm tripping balls right now, bro. Someone laced me. I'm pressing S right now to get to my room. I can't even see. Please. Let me in. Oh my god. I'm actually tripping so bad. Okay, so if I look down, if I pull the mouse down, I look, okay. What the fuck? I'm tripping balls. Maybe if I go to bed, it'll fix it. I think it worked. See, a little sleep will get the drugs to wear off. Am I right or am I right? 3:18 a.m. I was sedated. Really? I couldn't have guessed. Hey, this is... What the fuck? Oh, hell no. No, get the fuck up. They said this shit wasn't working, please. Whoever's in that fucking closet, bro, I'm telling you. I'm gonna stand the fuck up. Fucking hell. Hello? That shit closed. Can't turn it up. Someone in my fucking... Yeah, who is it? Joe. How did I wake up? Making all those goofy noises for. Whatever it is, just keep it down, miss. Yeah, I got laced by the coffee machine. I think someone's in my closet. Can you help me? They don't have coffee. Okay. Here, I've had enough of you crazy goons here for once. Thought we had a sober guest, but I guess I'm the crazy one. I hate my job. Hold on. Oh, I can't open it. Come on, look. I can't open the closet, Joe. But come on, Joe, I'm telling you. The coffee machine. It's the... Joe, come on. The coffee machine is literally right here. I'm being honest with you. It's right here. Joe, why is your fat ass walking so slow? Hold up. I'm telling you. Whatever. And did I just watch someone walk from my room to... it should be some medication in my room. Check the table by the TV. I'm not taking no random ass medication you just left me. And I just saw that guy from that room leave my room. And this door was... But now the closet's open. Fuck. Some medicine. Requires water. Okay, so let's pop some of these pills. I have no idea what they are. First of all, why taking some pills that bro said they're gonna help you out? See what they can help you out with. Some roofies or some shit, bro. Why would you ever take medication some random ass boy gave you, bro? You already got a lace with a coffee machine. Time to go to bed. Apparently I can't sleep. Apparently this game's a little funky. What the fuck? I know karate. I was in fucking Cobra Kai, my boy. Who was ever out there taking pictures? What? Yo, why is he at my door? The fuck? Hello? I'm not in here. No one's in here. No one's in here. What the fuck is he saying? Hello? Shh. Don't tell him I'm in here. Fucker. Shut the fuck up. What do I do? Am I like, who is it? Please open the door. I need help. What do you want? I need your help. Please, please open the door. The fuck? I'm not opening the door. Fuck you think I am? I know you're in there. Creepy ass man. I just need to talk to you, sir. I'm not a cop. Please go away. I'm going to call the cops. Pretty lady. Go! Help me, Joe. 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 To this day, I find it really weird that the manager, in fear not to get police involved, would have affected motel reputation that go to the administration. I believe that the town could have been home to a cult or a drug ring or possibly something even worse. Saw me ride with the car after I felt like a year. I never went on a long road trip again. I would say to take airplanes. Was that it? Was that the end of the game? Boy, guys, looks like I made it to the end. If you guys liked the video, like or whatever, you know. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.